You ever get the feeling where there's too much month left at the end of your money? One thing that every lawn care business owner learns fast is how to manage cash flow. If you don't get your finances under control, you'll either scrape by forever or worse, go broke. Today, I'm going to break down why so many lawn care businesses struggle with cash flow and how you can fix it before it's too late. Now, here's the hard truth. Running a business makes it very easy to spend more than you earn, and overdrafts, they're like quicksand, easy to slip into but hard to escape. So how does this happen in a lawn care business? I mean, you mow a lawn, you get paid. Simple, right? Not quite. Your business needs money too. Let's break it down. You've got things like vehicle expense, fuel, maintenance, repairs, equipment costs, blades, oil, parts, replacements, business taxes and insurance, because you're not keeping 100% of what you make. If you're swiping your business card for personal expenses too, guess what? There might not be enough in there when it comes time to cover these costs. Alright, so how do you stop the cycle? The solution is simple, but it takes discipline. Pay yourself once a week, not whenever you feel like it. And only take 50% of what you earn. Leave the rest for your expenses and the future growth of your business. This way, you'll always have money set aside for fuel, repairs, and those unexpected things that can ruin your cash flow. And at the end of the month, the bills are still coming. You can't wish them away. So make sure your money is still there too. Don't let poor money management hold you back from building the business you deserve. And if you want more tips on how to grow a lawn care business to 10k a month without hiring employees or spending a ton of money on ads, join my free community, the Lawn Business Builders. The link is below. Also, let me know in the comments, how do you budget in your business? Let's share ideas. And if you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss any more lawn care business tips. Until next time, get out there, mow lawns, have fun, and happy lawn mowing, people.